So the three main causes for ingrown hairs would be shaving, waxing and plucking hairs. My name is Caroline Hooper, Certified Laser Specialist, and this video is to help you as a customer to become a fully informed consumer about the aesthetic industry and to tell you the truth about the aesthetic industry before you spend any of your time and money. If you're new here, you should consider subscribing, as I would upload videos every single day, Monday to Friday at 6 o'clock. So when you pluck or wax the hair, you're pulling the hair out the root, and that does make the hair grow slower, but it can cause the hair to grow back much thicker, and in some cases it can curl, meaning that it's going to grow under the skin as opposed to out of the skin. When you shave your hair, you're shaving, because of the regularity of shaving, you're continuously irritating the skin, so you're causing damage to the skin, and the skin, when it's repairing itself, it can cause a blockage on the surface of the skin, not allowing the hair to grow up and out of the surface when it's grown the next time after you've damaged the hair. A lot of the times this could be diagnosed if your concern is ingrown hairs and you're speaking with your GP. You might diagnose it as folliculitis, which is another form of ingrown hairs. And it's very common in men, especially for the beard area. A lot of times folliculitis can occur got to do with jacuzzis and saunas, and the continuous shaving of the area and sweating as well can cause the damage to the hair follicle. Having a course of laser hair removal, in a lot of cases after even just one treatment, there's an exceptional reduction in ingrown hairs once those ingrown hairs have been caught in an active stage of growth. So it really is reliant on your hair cycle still for the ingrown hairs, but some people who suffer excessively with ingrown hairs can see a big change from the first treatments. But in some cases it can not take effect until the end of the course. It really depends on where and when them ingrown hairs are in an active stage of growth. But in the end, after a course of hair removal treatments have been performed, it is going to be effective in removing the ingrown hairs permanently. So thanks for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful or valuable to you. If you did, make sure to like below and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Or if you feel it can help any of your friends, colleagues or family members too, maybe you can help me by sharing it with them. And I'll see you tomorrow for the next video at 6 o'clock.